What is going on, guys? Dips here with your July 6th recap video. I missed you guys. It's been 2 weeks since we made a video, since we talked about our plays, what's going on. If you guys are familiar, about 2 weeks ago, we had a great run up on the Stim account. You know, we started with 1,200, we traded all the way up to 4,000, and then we just took 2 bad hits and it just kind of killed the account. Unfortunately, that's the risk with trading options. So instead of depositing another $1,200, I basically just traded what was remaining, which was around, so I deposited $370 in account. I let it clear out a couple days, and today was the first day effectively that we started trading the small account challenge. It was also a marketing decision because the algorithms were not liking us. We were posting videos, it wasn't getting a lot of traction because of the fact that nobody's really Googling Stim account challenge, but people are looking to grow small account challenges. So it was a whole group decision. And if you're new here and you want to join, all you have to do is click the link in the comment section below. It's pinned. Once you click the link, the Discord link will pop up, and all you have to do is create a username and you just join on Discord. Once you join the Discord, there'll be guys here where they will guide you through on our process. And again, there's no upfront charge. It's free. There's no monthly subscriptions, nothing like that. All we're doing is we're doing a challenge. We're trying to grow a small amount of money into a large amount of money. The community is free, and all you got to do is click the link. Once you join, you'll be directed to the alert section, which is part of the Discord. This is all free. I know a lot of people watching this who are new may not believe this, but it's free, and all we do is we just work as a community and try to make things work. Now, that being said, you're not just joining, a membership or anything like that. You're joining a cult. You're joining a family here. There's about 1,000 of us, and the alert section is right over here. I post every single move I do on this account. It's not just my decision. We have a whole system here. Now, I have this organized as the best system possible, which is the US government. So I have the Senate, which is responsible of the plays and trades that we do, and I have the House, where it's responsible for the marketing. The website, by the way, thank you, Nick. Shout out to Nick. He's been doing tremendous work. The website should be launching soon. I'm having a Zoom meeting with my management, and we're going to talk about a whole bunch of things. So stay tuned, guys. A lot of good things are happening to the cult. Basically, the way it works is the Senate is responsible for the plays, and what we have is a whole bunch of things. We have robots, we have algos, we have so many things that we're doing to help us succeed in this challenge. That being said, there's a lot of things that are going on behind the scenes that you're not seeing. We're not just pulling plays out of our ass and saying, you know what, let's just buy some SPY calls because it looks like the best thing possible. No, we're looking at a whole bunch of things before we make a decision, and there's a hearings, we have a voting booth, so we pick the best stock, we share it with the cult for free. There's no charge for any of this. This is crazy. The system that we have set up here that's free, nothing like this is available in the market at all. And the best part about it, it's free. How do you not want to be part of this? This is crazy. I wish 10 years ago, 12 years ago, somebody like me was out there putting this together. It would have helped me a lot. And I know a lot of guys in the cult are very thankful. Don't worry, guys. I hear every single one of you. I appreciate you guys. But anyways, I want to hop right into the plays, what we did today. So let's take a look at the alert. And we try to buy BA in the morning. Unfortunately, let's look at the chart. So BA had a phenomenal run up, and I wanted to buy here, but we couldn't get in. As soon as I put the order in, it just jumped. It went up like $4. I was like, shit, I'm not going to chase this. And thank God we didn't chase it because it came right back down. Now, again, over here, makes sense to buy into it, right? This run up here was not foreseen, but it does make sense to buy into it since I originally wanted BA, but we decided to get into SPY. Now, what happened with SPY? At the same time Boeing was running up, SPY was running up, made a new high, and it just went smashing down, and we got in basically at the lows. Let's take a look here at the alert. So we placed a 319 call for July 8th for contracts with a bid of 92 cents, and we got filled at 10.12. Let's take a look here. So right over here, right at the very low of the day, we got filled, and it went up, went down, and had a phenomenal run up. And over here, we should have taken profits. However, at the moment, it looked pretty promising. It was choppy, it was going back and forth, but we ended up taking profits at the very end. We had a run up, and we took advantage of that, and we secured a 20% what was 18% gain for the day, which is not bad at all. Again, 370 to 436. The max we were at was around 500, so it's not bad. We took the profits. I'm happy with the result. Tomorrow is another day. We got more money to play with. So that being said, I really wanted the Boeing. However, the guys that were smart, they took it on their main accounts. I did as well. Boeing has a lot of potential. There's a lot of news coming out. I'm not going to cover Boeing because it's not part of the account challenge that we're doing. However, there's a good chance that Boeing could gap up and hit new highs. When I say new highs. It could definitely break 190, go to 200, maybe even 220, maybe even a 240 this week. All right, the cult has called it first. So I'm in it. I have a couple contracts. They're up like 120, 130% already because we bought at the bottom. And again, let's see what happens throughout the day. Going forward, guys, I just really want you guys to understand that this is a challenge. This is not guaranteed. There's a risk. There's a disclaimer. Once you join the Discord, you'll get a message with a disclaimer. Basically, the disclaimer says we're not registered with the SEC. We're not financial advisors. None of that stuff. We're just providing information that should be treated as entertainment. The risk is there. Remember, we're trading with, $400-300. So we're not buying the best investments possible. We're buying very high risk investments that can potentially give us a high reward. However, it's not guaranteed. I wish I can say I can make you guys all money, but it just does not work that way. If you're experienced, you know that. If you're new, you might not know that. So I want to cover that thoroughly. Know that we're starting with a small amount of money. It may end up to a large amount of money. We may screw up like we screwed up here. That is the risk with the stock market. It's just not guaranteed. Nothing is guaranteed in life, especially in the stock market. You may take a piss, come back, and your whole account is blown up. So risk management is important, money management is important, and we're providing the best resources and tools to make that happen. But all right, guys, I'm excited for tomorrow. Do me a favor, hit the like button, share, subscribe, join the Discord community, join the cult, and I'll see you guys tomorrow.